Guys, here we have a Realme 10, and today I will show you how you can send fax messages from this device. So in the first step you have to download a fax app. You will find it a lot in the Google Store. I choose that one. Have to wait a minute. Okay, now open it. Now give up permissions. And now by this little plus you can send your fax from your app gallery, files, or just take a photo. I will take a photo. Sorry for that. Now you can just adjust a shape. And if you're ready, go here. Now choose the filter for your photo and click OK. Now just here type your number and a small note. Now by this little icon you can send your fax messages. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and goodbye.